How to choose the process of CNC machining or die casting for aluminum case. When we don't know how to choose the CNC machining or die casting for the aluminum case, here is the answer about your question based on the investment cost and machining cost. I hope it will be helpful for you. First, the initial investment cost of CNC machining is lower than the die casting. Only CNC machine cutting tools needs to be considered, but die casting requires the mold first. The mold cost is very high. For the projects in small quantity and prior order, CNC machining can be more cost effective. The large quantity or the long-term production, the initial investment in die casting is spread over on each unit to reduce the cost per pieces. 2. Machining costs. CNC machining costs are mainly related to the machining times and tool consumptions. Die casting machining costs include material costs, energy consumptions, and labor costs. CNC machining cost is directly related to the machining time. The parts with complex shape and high precision requirements will take a lot of time. Normally, machining costs will also increase accordingly. The cost of die casting mainly depends on the material cost and most manufacturer's cost. Mass productions can spread the mold manufacturing costs, thereby reduce the cost of single pieces. If the aluminum case has a high requirements for the accuracy and appearance, CNC machining are more easily meets the requirements. If the aluminum case needs to be produced in high quantity and the size requirements are not high, die casting will be a more economical and effective option. That's all for today. If you have any question about CNC machining, please leave a message.